Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all well. In today's video we are going to talk about the benefits and the uses of frankincense essential oil. Frankincense has a woody, spicy smell. It can be inhaled, absorbed through the skin, seeped into tea or taken as a supplement. It can also be used in incense to release the smell and the energy as well as the benefits into the air. It's also used in Ayurvedic medicine for hundreds of years. It actually contains very good health benefits from improved arthritis and digestion to reduced asthma and better oral health. It's even been known to fight certain types of cancers. Frankincense anti-inflammatory effects may even help to reduce symptoms of osteoporosis and rheumatoid arthritis. I'm going to do a DIY version of a arthritis fighting cream. You guys might want to see that. I'll put the link in the description box below once the video is ready. Another benefit of frankincense essential oil is improved gut health, and it may even help to reduce Crohn's and ulcerative colitis by reducing inflammation in your gut. It even helps to improve asthma, and it reduces the likelihood of asthma attacks in vulnerable people, so pregnant women and children. It may even help to relieve asthma symptoms such as shortness of breath and wheezing. It maintains the oral health. Frankincense extract or powder may also help to fight gum disease and maintain oral health. You can also use frankincense in your DIY oil pulling recipes. So I'll do a video shortly talking about how to easily make oil pulling recipes using frankincense, turmeric and coconut oil, so stay tuned. Another benefit of frankincense essential oil is that it even helps to fight certain cancers. According to studies, compounds in frankincense may help kill cancer cells and prevent tumors from spreading. However, more human research is needed to confirm. Other ways that frankincense can help, either by resin or oil or supplements, it can actually help prevent diabetes, and these are according to some studies that have showed that it helps lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. I'll link to all the sources and experiments and evidence in the description box below if you guys are interested. Another benefit is that it reduces stress, anxiety and depression through inhalation, and as well as taking it in supplements. So you might want to add a few drops of frankincense essential oil on the pulse areas of your body. Absolutely amazing. It also helps with memory and concentration, or you can put a few drops in the vaporizer or the humidifier. Just release it into the air, kills the bacteria and helps with reducing stress and depression. Also, incense works best if you've got the resin. Another benefit is that it helps prevent heart disease because it has very anti-inflammatory benefits, and it also helps to smooth skin and helps with cell renewal and anti-aging. Frankincense oil is absolutely amazing. It's very an effective anti-acne and anti-wrinkle remedy. Simply put a few drops of frankincense essential oil in your daily lotion or night cream, day cream. It works absolutely amazing and it's very flexible. Another one we already mentioned is that it improves the memory, and this is according to some studies that have been made in times where it has actually been able to significantly improve memory and concentration. So another one that improves memory and concentration is rosemary oil. Rosemary essential oil also helps through inhalation to improve memory, improve concentration and improve balance. Another benefit is that frankincense essential oil helps to balance hormones, and it reduces the symptoms of PMS, and it also enhances fertility. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Do let me know if you're interested in more